Are the gaps closing in CONCACAF? Note that Mexico barely hung on for a 3-2 win after going 3-0 up against the Dominican Republic.
Goal for the Dominican Republic, and it's Edson Escona off the bench. And they're back in it again, and they will not go away.
Costa Rica struggled and needed a very late penalty to get past Suriname 4-3.
Corner for Suriname, blocked, and now they shout for a penalty. It is a penalty for Costa Rica. Manfred Ugalde scores! And the 10-man Ticos win one of the games of their life.
El Salvador could not get past Curacao.
The stalemate in San Jose is complete here in the Group B opener.
Costa Rica needed a late winner against a determined Dom Rep.
After a day of difficulty, may have done what they needed to do in the end.
So be happy for every victory.